The Meghalaya Asha Workers Union, or MAWU, criticized the Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare, James K. Sangma, for his reply to calling attention notice under Rule 54(1 being tabled by Miralbond's aim on the issues relating to the grievances of Asha workers in the state and on claiming that the Asha workers are getting incentive worth more than 4,000 rupees per month. The union asserted that they are getting only 2,000 per month. It may be noted that the Asha workers had on March 4th held a protest in the state relating to various pending issues. Speaking to media persons in the press conference held at Nongpo, the advisor of MAWU, Soni Kharjana, and Asha President Mira June Mirsing said that they are not satisfied by the reply given by the Health Minister James K. Sangma and in fact still feel neglected by the state government.
Officers, the health officials, the whole health department has been working very hard to ensure, looking at the kind of human service that is being provided by the Ashas, that payments are made to them on a timely basis and the due payments are cleared.
Nama kakam tu ki Asha kalong kamdei ke baki ki lak ban yok lu dia barokat ki kam bakin lak ban pelang ya kena kepisah shin yok hajat tu ka.
The Meghalaya government